Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are up here down here, we're in Canada, and we are down at Sarina because we're about to do, well, my first ride of the season, but we're doing a SeaDoo ride for my subscribers, a SeaDoo social get together. We've got people showing up already at the dock. We're down here at the I'm gonna be in the sun. We're down here at the Sarnia Marina, public launch. Absolutely beautiful launch, concrete pad. And we've got the SeaDoos going in. We've got some Yamahas, hey, everyone's welcome. And we're out here just having a good time. We've got my SeaDoo in the water. Got a nice social flag flying on it. There we go. So we got be my first run of the year. Well, I was out last night just checking things out, making sure the SeaDoo was running good, but more or less my first run of the year up here in Canada because it's really cold and windy. It's windy today, the wind is out of the north, so it's a bit chilly, but we're gonna be on the St. Clair River, so hopefully it's not gonna be too bad for us. But yeah, guys, come on, enjoy the video with us, and let's see what kind of fun we can have with the group today. All right, let's get going. Uh-oh, guys, we're back out on the water, and we're gonna have a SeaDoo social ride. We've got some great people here. We're about to hit the road, so let's get this adventure going. All right. Woo, she's chilly this morning. Oh. All right, guys, we've landed on shore. We're at, where are we at? I don't even know where we're at. River Craft Marine. Well, I don't know. River Craft Marine and Resort. So we're getting some gas here. We're getting some food, and then we're going to keep the day going. But we've got Nigel there, and everyone's just kind of rucking up, getting now settled in. We're testing them for the early season, filling up on gas. There we go, there we go, there we go.
Are you girls done? I'm still pumping.
There we go. Look at everyone. Look at everyone. I love it. Tim trying not to break himself here. Don't hurt yourself, buddy.
I'm trying not.
All the CDs we've got. You doing okay?
I'm good.
Wonderful. We stick some Yamahas down here. So there's washrooms and everything, food to eat. Okay. Yep. How are you guys? Say hi to the channel. Hi guys, well, sorry about the lack of audio. I forgot to bring the mic with me for this one. It's been a while since I've been vlogging, so I forget how to do it. So I apologize if there's wind, apologize if this turned into more of a music video than anything else. But hey, we're right on the water. It was an amazing time. Thanks to everyone that showed up. We're just loading back up here at the ramp. We're going to call it a day and get together, and we're just going to pop over and have a little post-ride celebration and just enjoy it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video showing what it's like to get out on a ride with the group. Thanks to SeaDoo Social Club again for having me help out with these kind of rides. Appreciate it, and look out for more rides coming soon. So thanks so much for watching this video. It's the end. What do I say? Be safe on the water. Till the next one. Peace.
See, I was here after all.